Hi, my loves. So here I am. I was going to record, but this little guy right here, welcome him. He is a new addition to my clan, and his name is Lucky. He is a boy, and yeah, I'll tell you about more about him in a further or later on video when I show you my babies, because I haven't shown you my babies for about a year now. And yeah, but he is currently 7 weeks. He's close to being 8 weeks. So yeah, but he is very attached to me, and he didn't want to let me record. But I hope you like him, and yeah, and just look at his cuteness. Love you guys.
You can let mommy record. Are you gonna get mommy record? Are you gonna let mommy record? Are you? Are you gonna let mommy record? What you want? What you want? What you want? Are you wanna sit right here with your mommy? You go tired. Are you gonna tell your pain, huh? You play with your mommy. Let you play with your mommy. Excuse you. Excuse you. You get used to it. And you get used to it.